Hey YouTube, in this video I'm gonna show you the unboxing of the Roku 2 XS. But before I do that, let's have a look at the models that they have on their website. So, what's the difference between the XS and the other devices? The only difference is that it has enhanced remote with motion control for games and a free full edition of Angry Birds game and Ethernet and USB ports. So you might ask yourself, is it worth it? Well, I know that I'm gonna watch videos with the best HD video, 1080p. So for me, yes, it is. Besides, I'm gonna use it with the Ethernet port. And what about the USB port? The thing about Roku, you can watch videos from your flash to if you hook it up with your Roku, but the videos formats that you can watch is only MP4. So if you have a lot of videos with MP4, it's useful to you. Otherwise, it's no use at all, since it doesn't support AVI or something like that. This is the box. It says there is a ton of entertainment in this little box. It's true, since they have more than 400 channels. Let's open it up. Getting started manual. This is the device itself. Let's put it on side. There is the remote. The wall charger. Batteries for your remote. And audio video cable for all TVs. There is no HDMI cable here. So let's look at the device. It's a small, neat device. It comes in black of the XS model, unlike the LT model, which comes in purple. It's very lightweight. Here's the Roku tag. Let's look at the ports. There's a reset hole here, the DC-in, Ethernet port, AV out, audio video for all TVs, micro SD slot if you want to expand it for downloading games from the Roku site, and HDMI. Let's look at the side. There is the USB port, and that's it. The thing about this device that you can hide it wherever you want, since it connects with the remote control via Bluetooth. This is the remote. It has the A and B buttons for gaming with the D-pad. It's actually lightweight and feels really nice in the hands. As well as it has a gyroscope and accelerometer for gaming. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.